Indima 1, Umboniso 1, Act 1, Scene 1. Now this scene takes place kwa Zwilakhe, at Zwilakhe's home, in the evening. Intombi yakhe, his daughter Nozipho, uyedwa, is alone. Abanye abantu, the other people, basemtshatweni, are at a wedding, kwaNgoqo, at Ngoqo's place. Umzika Zwilakhe, Zwilakhe's home, is in Zalzulwana. Kufika umama ka Nozipho. Nozipho's mother arrives, evela emtshatweni, having come from the wedding. Qon qon qo, a knocking sound. Ungubani, and who is it, or who are you? Vula wethu sukubuza, open up, my child. Sukubuza, don't ask. Kini nguwe, mama? Goodness, is it you, mom? Kaloku mna ndiyoyika. You know, me, I am scared. Ngeli xesha, at this time. Njengoko nawe usazi, as you too azi know. You, hayi uli gwala, mntanam. No, you are a gwala. You are a coward, my child. Nozipho, ndiyakroka ubulewe. I suspect that you are bewitched. Tyhini mama, goodness mom, yiyeke le nto uyithethayo. Stop this that you are saying. Stop what you are saying. Kusebusuku ngoku. It is now night time. Phofu wena. Phofu wena does not really have a translation. Wena usacinga ngomtshato, and you are still, your thoughts are still with the wedding. Akuyiboni into, you do not notice that kusebusuku, it is night time. Magaba, noticing the smoke filling the house. Umsi is smoke. Ozalise indlu. You, ongaka umsi, so much smoke. Kutheni, why? Aibo, no man. Kovule, mntanam, open up, my child. Sizakufa. We will die. Unozipho esiya kuvula emnyango, as she goes to open the door. Kaloku, mama, you know, mom, ndiyoyika, I'm scared. Andinakungavuli xa ndihleli ndedwa. I cannot literally not open when I am ndedwa, alone. In other words, I must close up. Yini ukuba ukhuze kangaka? So, and why do you khuza, exclaim, kangaka, so much? Ngati, as though, akubuqhelanga umsi, you are not accustomed to smoke. Highway to mama. No, mom. Khawuyeke ukukhuza umsi. Stop exclaiming or complaining about the smoke. Khawuncokole. Please tell or relate iindaba zomtshato, news or details of the wedding. Thiza, indlela endidiniwe ngayo. Oh, I'm so tired. Khawundinike ukhukho. Please give me a sleeping mat, ndingqengqe, so that I can lie down. Unozipho giving her this mat. Kutheni ukhala? Why are you complaining ngokudinwa, about being tired? Benixhensa, were you dancing? Phaya emtshatweni, over there at the wedding. Magaba engqengqe, lying down. Ukuxhensa kwantoni na, Nozipho? What dancing? noZipho, akuboni ukuba ndimdala? Can you not see that I am old? Uthi ngaba ndisakwazi ukuxhentsa? Are you saying that I can still dance? Ndidiniwe kukuhamba. I'm tired of walking. Kukude ukuya eMgagasi? Is it not far to Mgagasi? Hayi ke noko eMgagasi kulapha. No, Mgagasi kulapha is sort of close by. Thetha ngobudala nje wena. You are just talking about ubudala, your age. noZipho mntanam, noZipho my child, indlela endome ngayo. I am so thirsty that ayithetheki, that it is indescribable. Akubilisanga manzi na? Have you not boiled water, sana lwam? My child, ndikhe ndiphunge, so that I can have a hot drink? Let's put a question mark there. Oh, Mama. Oh, Mom. Ufuna ukuthi, do you want to tell me, do you want to say that anipiwanga nto, that you were not given anything iphungwayo kula mtshato, to drink at that wedding? Sukubahlazisa. Don't slander the Ngoko people, please. Torho. Hayi besiyiphiwe noko. No, we were given some. Kodwa ke, but uyazi nawe, but you too know. Ndifuna eyendlu yam. I want that which is made in my own house. Eyenziwe, which was made lusana lwam unoZipho, by my baby noZipho. Whoa, uyayifuna xa unje. Oh, well, you really do want some if that is the case. Phofu, however, kudala amanzi ebila. The water has been boiling for a long time. Kuba bendisazi, because I knew ukuba that uza kuyifuna, that you were going to want some. Khangela ke umntwana omcingelayo unina. Look at the child who thinks about her mother. Ina, here you are. Nali iqhekeza lesonka. Here is a piece of bread. Hlafuna mntanam. Hlafuna, literally chew. Have something to eat, my child. Khawubalise iindaba zomtshato, Mama. Tell us about the news or the details of the wedding, Mom. Bekumnandi. Was it nice? Bebe baninzi abantu. Were there lots of people? Ukutya beku kuninzi. Was there lots of food? Ebemhle umtshakazi. Was the bride beautiful? Ngubani obemhle kunomnye? Who was more beautiful than the other? Umtshakazi nomyeni, between the bride and the husband. Yintombi yasemanini, and from what clan is she? And where is she from, the bride? Imibuzo engaka. So many questions. Ndiza kuqala ngowuphi? Ngowuphi? I will begin with which one? With which one will I begin? Xa ingaka, when there are so many. Hayi, qala wenze ikofu mntanam. No, first make some coffee, my child.